Hello guys, review Lenovo Tab M11 with Tab pen with stylus. Okay, open box and look completation. Device of course in completation, and in the box we have adapter for charging, Type-C cable, documentary and key for SIM slot, and of course Tab pen. Okay, good. Now we'll talk about tablet. Made of metal. On the back side camera 8 megapixels, on the front side 11-inch display, on this side power button and speakers, second speakers on this side, headphones jack and Type-C port. Okay, turn on device, open settings. We have display Full HD plus IPS display. About tablet we have software version Lenovo ZUI 15.1.072, Android version 13, CPU MediaTek Helio G88. Okay, close this and open benchmarks. Open Geekbench 6, look benchmark results. Android 13, MT, MediaTek processor, Mali G52MC2, and look results, single core score and multi-core score. Look GPU test results, okay. And start PUBG Mobile. And PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay, close this. Open camera. Camera we have 8 megapixels main camera. Video recording we have Full HD or HD. And IE scan. Okay, close this. Battery we have in tablet 7040 milliampere hour. Okay, and we have quick charge 20 watt. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.